Welcome, this is Sig with Fish Out Loud. Hey, I don't know about you, but when you get a tiny boat, you are very limited to storage. So I'm always thinking, what can I do to get that stuff on the boat and put it in a place where I can have easy access to, and at the same time still keep room, because these tiny boats that we have, not a lot of room. So I said to myself, okay, if I'm sitting here, what can I put on to be able to grab scissors, pliers, any other little stuff? And so I found this yak gear, which is actually designed for kayaks, and I'm going to place it right here, all right? And another location that I thought would be great was right over here by my steering wheel and where my throttle control is, and I found this tackle webs like this. And this is 12 by 16 inches, and it's usually designed for offshore boats and large fiberglass boats, and comes with Velcro that you can take it on and off. But I'm going to be screwing it in, okay? But it's great, a little extra storage. I'm going to put it right over here. I went to my local Ace hardware store, got the screws and washers. You'll see pictures of it here coming up of exactly what I bought, and this is the measurements I did. Be real careful when you're drilling, because you want to make sure that it does take a self-tapping screw without harming anything, okay? So be real careful before you start doing that. But hey, get ready, stay tuned, and here we go. So I'm kind of seeing where I want. I can go in, I can come out. It just depends. This may not be the best shot for video purposes, but hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing here. Like I said, I'm very careful to make sure I'm screwing this in places that won't damage anything. Well, here we go. Awesome pocket that I have there now. Again, I don't mind if this stuff gets wet in there. It's not a big deal. I live in Florida. It's always warm. And I'm going to come around here and show you this yak pack. And this is going to work perfect for me as I reach in here and have my scissors and other little miscellaneous stuff in there. Okay? Guys, I really hope this has helped. I hope you're able to maximize storage in your tiny boat or whatever vessel you may have. All right, guys, remember, you're always just one cast away.